Today discuss about quadratic expression part 13, exercise B. Today next model, maximum and minimum. Find the value of maximum and minimum value of given expression. Okay, right. So first one, see, x square minus 5x plus 7, given expression x square minus x plus 7, x square minus x plus 7 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, c equals to 7, right. So coefficient of x square is a equals to 1, is greater than 0, positive, is greater than 0, then expression has minimum value, okay. Expression has greater than means minimum, less than means maximum, right. Minimum value 4ac minus b square by 4a, 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a, right. Substitute the value of a, b, c, right. 4 into a equals to 1, c equals to 7, minus b square minus 1 whole square by 4 into a equals to 1 at x equals to minus b minus 1 by 2 into 1, right. 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28, minus 1 square means 1 by 4 at x equals to 1 by 2. 28 minus 1, 27 by 4 at x equals to 1 by 2. It is a minimum value of given expression. Okay, a is greater than means minimum value. Okay, right. Second one, given expression 2x plus 5 minus 3x square. Okay, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. So here a equals to coefficient of x square minus 3, b equals to coefficient of x 2, c equals to 5, constant, right. So coefficient of x square is a equals to minus 3 is less than 0, then then expression has, what is the value? Has maximum value. Okay, less than means maximum value. Right, find the value of maximum value equals to 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a. X equals to minus b by 2a. Substitute the value of a, b, c. Substitute the value of a, b, c. Okay, right. 4 into, what is the value of a? Minus 3, c, 5, minus b square, 2 square by 4 into a equals to minus 3 at x equals to minus of b equals to 2 by 2 into minus 3. Right, simplify this one. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, minus 60 minus 2 square means 4 by minus 12 at x equals to minus get cancel, 2 cancel, 1 by 3. Right, minus 64 by minus 12 at x equals to 1 by 3. Minus get cancel. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 6 are 24. Okay, therefore 16 by 3 at x equals to 1 by 3. It is a maximum value of given expression. Most important 2 marks problem. So greater than a is a coefficient of x square, a is greater than 0, then expression has minimum value. Or coefficient of x square, a is less than 0, expression has maximum value. That value equals to 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a. Find the extreme value of expression 15 plus 4x minus 3x square. What is the mean of extreme? Extreme means maximum or minimum value. Extreme means maximum or minimum value. Same, both are same problems. So given expression 15 plus 4x minus 3x square. Right, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Here a equals to minus 3, b equals to 4, c equals to 15. Therefore coefficient of x square is a equals to minus 3 is less than 0, then expression has maximum value. Right, therefore find the value of maximum value. 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a. Right, substitute the value of a, b, c. A equals to minus 3, c equals to 15, minus b means 4 square by 4, a means minus 3 at x equals to minus 4 by 2 into minus 3. Right, 4 3s are 12, 12 15s are okay, 60 minus 180 minus 16 by minus 12 at x equals to minus minus get cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 by 3, right, minus 196 by minus 12 at x equals to 2 by 3, minus minus get cancel, 4 3s are 4 4s are 16, 3 36, 4 9s are okay, right, 49 by 3 at x equals to 2 by 3. Extreme value, what is the extreme value? 49 by 3, 49 by 3. Okay, right, thank you.